I wanted to share these 3 gifts with you because I thought they were special, and I always enjoy it when other people get really nice gifts, and I like to see them unbox and share. So I thought you might enjoy it as well. So I received this beautiful Chanel fragrance, and I thought I would unbox it with you. I haven't opened it yet. So it came with this beautiful little ribbon, and then you take the box off, and it has this paper. Let's see what it says. This is from my daughter, and then it has this beautiful seal here. It's called Coco Mademoiselle. And here is the fragrance. Let's open it up and see all about it. I love the way this smells on her, and since she is my daughter, I would hope that it would smell just as lovely on me. There it is. Look at that. Okay, let's see. I think it pulls up, or does it spin? Yeah, it pops off. Oh my gosh. I can't describe it. I should put my glasses on. Did I bring my glasses in here? I'll have to read the different notes of it. I was sitting on them. Of course I was. Back to our Chanel. See, it says, gosh, it doesn't say what the different notes are. I don't know. I'll tell you what the notes are. The notes are, it smells so good. It's a little bit floral, but it's not overwhelming. It just smells rich. Anyway, that is the beautiful Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. Here's another cool gift that I received from my dad. These are Renfro goggles for people who get headaches or migraines, and this is what they look like. You can adjust it with this strap. I don't know if you can hear it. So you turn them on here. They're different modes. They can vibrate. There's air pressure, and you can turn it on and off here. Yeah, Renfro massage. And you put this on and adjust it. And of course, we had to pass it around so that everybody could have a turn. But when you put it on, it tells you to close your eyes, and then you kind of adjust it, and then it starts very lightly warming up. And then this pressure, let's see if you can see it, this cushion in here, there go my glasses, hang on. Oh my goodness. I tried to put in my contacts, and so I went to get the new pair that I picked up from the eye doctor, and I can't find them. And so who knows? I have no idea where they are, what box they might have fallen into, but I do have the prescription ordered, and I'm getting new ones in, so I have no idea where they are. So I'm wearing my glasses even though I just got contacts, and was so hoping to be able to wear my contacts in this kind of unboxing, because I did want to read to you some other stuff that I have, but we're going to have to wear the glasses and see all the reflection, and oh well, it doesn't matter. So anyway, this Renfro looks really cool on. I'll put it on. You just put it on like this, and you adjust it, and then you press the button. It tells me to close my eyes, to relax and enjoy. And then the pressure starts to come on, and then music comes on, and then the pressure starts to push against my eyes and my temples right here. And then this goes on for a while. And it's just super nice. I sometimes get headaches and auras for migraines, and 2 of my daughters also have that issue. It doesn't really matter if you have a headache or not. It feels absolutely amazing. So, and then you just fold it up like this, and you put it on, power it down. It's so nice. She actually put it on her eyes and put a blanket on, hopped on the couch, and fell asleep, and we took it off of her. And she's still napping. She loved it. I'm going to have a hard time keeping that by my bed or by the couch, but stuff like that everybody in the family can enjoy. And I hope I didn't mess it up because I have on makeup. But anyway, so that's that. So the beautiful Chanel Mademoiselle fragrance and this Renfo eye mask massager is really interesting. So those are two gifts I wanted to share with you. The other gift I wanted to share was this ginormous box, if you see it here. So this box of bath bombs and potions and lotions and all kinds of fun things from Lush. And on the box it says, wow, but I think it really means mom. My sweet, sweet boyfriend got that for me because he knows I love a bath and I love a good lotion and potion and bath fun thing. It came with 34 different things inside of it. Bath bombs and bubble bars, lip scrubs, body lotion, shower gel, all kinds of fun things. I just thought I would hold them up and kind of show you each one. This is a bath bomb and it's called Butter Bear Crystal Snow. This is a gift horse. Magical Santa. These are all bath bombs. So you just put them in the bath and they fizz and melt and make your bath and bathroom and bedroom and every area in the house that has access to that bath where the bathtub ventilation goes, and it's just amazing. This one is Moon Bath. They all kind of smell similar. I'm not ever really good at discerning one from the other. I just know they smell fresh and they smell very good. We have Partridge in a Pear Tree. Let's see if you can see the partridge. Shoot for the Stars. This is in their holiday gift baskets, but it's also something that they have, I think, year round. It's really nice. The thing with these is sometimes they have glitter. I don't know if you can see the glitter on my hand. And so that does get in the bathtub, and I guess it can create a little bit of a mess, but it's such a fun experience, and you just wash it off in between. Then there is Snow Dragon. I'm getting this everywhere. Okay, Snowdrift. Snow Fairy. Let's see if I can find Snow Fairy. Is this Snow Fairy? Yes. I think this is Snow Fairy. Snowman Finger Puppet. This is so cute. He has a little hole right here. You put him on. I think I'm going to give this to my little granddaughter. She wasn't here when I opened it, but she's going to get a kick out of this. Sweet Pudding. Not sure why it's called Sweet Pudding, but it's pretty. It looks like it has a little holly berry on top. Oh, then there's a Snow Fairy body lotion. Where is that? I think my daughter grabbed that last night to use. And so it's not in here, but that was a very lovely thing. And it also came with this fairy dust dusting powder. And they say this is something where you can, you know, put it on your skin, but you can also sprinkle it in your sheets before bed. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. And just these things smell so good and so fresh. Here is Cinnamon Roll. It does smell like cinnamon, so this one definitely smells, it almost smells like a Red Hot. This is cute. This is a Snow Fairy roll, which looks just like the cinnamon roll, but it has the pink and the white. Party Popper. Let's see. Oh, I took that one to the bathtub last night. It looks like a candy corn or one of those poppers that blows out. And it was a bubble bar, so I took a little piece off of that, and away I went. We do have this, let's see, this Snow Fairy body. Here's the body lotion. It just wasn't in the container that I thought it was in. So here's the Snow Fairy body lotion. Here's the Elf Shake shower gel. These are funny. So we have Hot Toddy shower gel. We have Elf Shake shower gel, and then she took the Snow Fairy shower gel. That's what she took. And all of these, it just says, get naked, hop in the shower, and lather up. Here's a shower jelly. It's called Bouncing Santa. I have it open there. I guess we can open that. Let's see. Oh, now that's interesting. Not sure you can see it. It looks like cranberry juice. Let's see if I can tilt my camera so you can see it. Sorry. That was really squeaky. It says, this festive red jelly is filled with fragrant fresh melon infusion and fruity watermelon seed oil. That's what it smells like, but it doesn't smell like gross. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like fake watermelon. And then we have a coconut ice lip scrub. My lips have been so chapped. I wake up every morning, and even though I'm putting like a Laneige sleep mask on them, I wake up and they're still dry. I know I'm sleeping with my mouth open and they're just getting dry. We have a couple of soap bars. This is called Golden Wonder. I think this is Baked Alaska, and I think this is another version of the Snow Fairy because it smells like it. Oh gosh, it smells good. And then here's one called, it's another little, it's called Snow Bear. It's another soap. And then I took one to the bath last night. Oh my gosh, it was called Golden Pear, and it looked just like a gold pear. And it smelled so good. So I took the bubble bar and I took the pear. I didn't use them both. I'm just trying to kind of use a little bit of one at a time because I don't want to mess up anything in the flora world. But I do want to try things. And so I figure I'll try some, rest today, try some, rest today, and just rinse really well. But it's very nice. That's everything that came in this box. And I thought it was so much fun to go through, and I wanted to share it with you.